I'm about to unveil a groundbreaking method for you to potentially earn up to $875 every single day. After much research, I'm going to take you to the world of affiliate marketing, where you can partner with companies to promote their products and earn commissions for every sale you generate. This method requires no selling or no prior experience, and you're in luck because I'm going to share it all with you guys in this video. On top of that, you can do it all from your mobile phone or tablet if you don't have access to a computer or laptop. Over the years, I've learned a thing or two about what it takes to succeed in this industry, and now I'm here to share my knowledge with you. Let's get a rundown of the steps I've prepared for you. Choose a profitable niche. Find a high-paying affiliate program for your chosen niche. Dive into my advertising method. Pick your posting platform. Create tutorial videos. Start earning affiliate commissions from your videos. Now let's get started. So the affiliate network I'm working with for this method is called Impact. You might be familiar with it already. It's kind of like ClickBank or Digistore. It's a platform where you can team up with tons of different companies and earn commissions by promoting their products. Let's get into the details of how this works, and more importantly, how you can do it to earn some cash for yourself. So, the name of the game here is affiliate marketing, a concept that's been around since way back in the 1900s. Basically, it's all about promoting other people's products and pocketing a profit. It's essentially a performance-based marketing strategy where affiliates, like myself, leverage their platforms, such as websites, social media channels, or email lists, to promote products to their audience. When someone makes a purchase or completes a desired action through the affiliate's unique link, the affiliate earns a commission. It's a win-win for both parties involved. The affiliate earns money for driving sales, while the product creator gains exposure and sales without the need for extensive marketing efforts. Here's what's awesome about affiliate marketing. You're not limited to promoting just one program. So when you see that $875 per day rolling in from Impact, that's not just going to be from sticking to just one product. Nope, that comes from a whole lineup of different programs that you will be promoting. By combining them, they're all contributing to that sweet income that you can potentially rake in month after month. It's crucial to promote programs that you genuinely believe in and would use yourself. It's all about maintaining integrity. If you start pushing sketchy stuff just for the sake of making a buck, you'll tank your credibility real quick. So, when you're diving into affiliate marketing, stay transparent with your audience and keep your marketing ethical. Trust me, it pays off in the long run. The beauty here is that this is genuine passive income at its finest. You make a video once, put it out there, and viewers will keep watching it for weeks, months, even years. And every time they click on your affiliate links, you're raking in those sweet commissions without lifting a finger. Plus, if you're on YouTube like me, you're still pulling in that ad revenue. And hey, this isn't just limited to YouTube, it works on TikTok too. And for those of you who prefer staying behind the scenes, don't sweat it. Later on, I'll reveal a bunch of tricks I've picked up over the years that let you make money online without ever showing your face, using this exact method. Hey, quick heads up, not many folks watching my videos hit that subscribe button. If you're vibing with this content and find it valuable, think about tossing a subscribe with notifications on. It's totally free, and you can always unclick it later if you change your mind. That way, I can shoot you a heads up whenever I drop a fresh money-making strategy. Alright, let's get down to business and break this system down for you, step by step, absolutely free. Our first step is to choose a profitable niche. Why do we start here? Well, because we want to target a specific group of people who are just into one thing. We're not talking about a clash of interests like cats, dogs, and finance. Nope, we're honing in on a niche where everyone's on the same page, making it way easier for us to cash in. So let's talk about picking your video niche. There's a whole buffet of categories out there, so don't feel boxed into one just because you're watching a finance channel. YouTube's got everything from food to animals, sports to video games, music to social media marketing. You name it, it's there. The trick is to find a niche you're not only passionate about, but also one that's profitable. It's all about that sweet spot where your interests align with making bank. You don't want to be stuck in a niche you don't love. That's just not bringing in the money in, right? You're here, I'm here, because we want to make money with affiliate marketing. So you gotta strike that balance. Find a niche that gets you pumped up but also has the potential to fill your pockets. It's all about finding that sweet spot where you're enjoying what you do and making enough to live the lifestyle you want. Whether it's buying that new car, splurging on a fancy camera for your YouTube channel, or whatever floats your boat, just find that niche you dig and where the money flows. Remember, you're going to be making videos about this stuff, chatting with people, hustling to make those sales and all that stuff. So make sure it's a topic you're cool with talking about, something you're down to stick with for the long haul. After all, you don't want to get stuck in a niche that makes you cringe every time you hit record, because I certainly wouldn't want to. It's going to make you feel lazy and unmotivated every time you gotta make a new video on the channel, and that's what we need to avoid. On to the second step, we need to find a high-paying affiliate program for our chosen niche. It's pretty straightforward, just head on over to Google and type in your niche followed by affiliate programs or affiliate networks. For example, if you're into gaming, like me, you type in gaming affiliate programs. Then you'll see a bunch of options pop up. Just click on one of the top links, sign up for the affiliate program, and you're good to go. And guess what? You're not limited to just one program. Feel free to sign up for multiple networks and promote a whole bunch of different products within your niche. Because at the end of the day, combining all of those links is what's gonna earn you those 6 figures. Now, not all companies have their own direct affiliate programs. That's where third-party platforms like Impact come in handy. It's free to sign up and it's global, so no matter where you are, you're covered. If you're just starting out, you can follow the Google method I showed you earlier, or simply head over to impact.com and sign up. They've got a wide array of products across various niches, both physical and digital, so you're bound to find something to promote, no matter what your niche is. Digital products tend to offer higher commission payouts, and that's where the real money's at. So regardless of your niche, I'd suggest focusing on promoting digital products. They've got no overhead costs like physical products do, which means bigger payouts for you. It's all about maximizing your earnings, and digital products are the way to go for that extra cash flow. Another platform worth checking out is PartnerStack. It's similar to Impact, but it's more focused on software-based programs. If you're keen on earning recurring income, PartnerStack's got you covered. Signing up is a breeze, and it won't cost you a dime. Once you're in, just like with Impact, you can apply for different products in your chosen niche. Once you're approved, which is usually within a day or so, you can grab your affiliate link and start promoting the product online. Keep in mind what I said earlier, you don't have to rely solely on one product or network. If one company is taking forever to accept you, no sweat. Just move on to another one and start promoting their product in the meantime. Don't let delays hold you back. Get out there and start hustling. No excuses, no waiting around. Just dive in and get to work. Now, let's dive into the third step, my exact advertising method, which I like to call RPM, record, promote, monetize, and the best part, it's completely free to get started. First up, head on over to the App Store or Google Play Store and download the app or software you're going to promote. For this video's example, I'll be using Canva. After that, grab a screen recording app so you can capture your tutorial video. If you've got a computer or laptop handy, you can use OBS Studio. If you're on a mobile device, you can use your device's built-in screen recorder, or grab one from the App Store or Google Play Store. If you're down with the idea of aiming for financial freedom through passive income, just hit me with a yes, and drop a comment mentioning what country you're from. This way, I'll know exactly where our viewers are from, and trust me, it'll help me tailor all my future videos for all of our subscribers. On to our fourth step, it's time to pick your posting platform. You've got a few options here. YouTube or TikTok are solid choices, or you can go for YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels if you're on your phone. If you're strictly using your phone, I'd say stick to TikTok since it's blowing up big time and offers massive viral potential, plus it's super accessible too. But if you've got a laptop or computer at your disposal, I'd recommend going straight to YouTube. It's the platform that can bring you the most passive income in the long run. In step 5, let's get into creating our tutorial videos. But first, let me break down why I've chosen Canva for this. I've noticed tons of Canva tutorial videos going viral on TikTok, and I'm pretty sure you'll see similar success on Instagram and YouTube Shorts too. Take a look at these examples on the screen, they're racking up views like crazy. And here's the thing, many of the creators behind these viral tutorials have relatively small accounts. You don't need a massive following to reach hundreds of thousands of people and make sales through affiliate marketing. Now you might be wondering, I'm not a Canva expert, where do I get all these ideas for tutorials? Don't stress about it, I've got your back. Just hop onto Google and search for Canva tips and tricks. You'll find a bunch of ideas you can use for your tutorial videos on TikTok. Alternatively, you can do what I'm doing right now, scroll through TikTok and check out different Canva tutorials. Then, simply recreate them with your own spin and post them online. TikTok's cool with it as long as you add your own creative flair to it. So go ahead, get inspired, and put your own twist on things. Expanding beyond Canva, there are plenty of other platforms you can create tutorial videos for. With people's attention spans getting shorter by the day, they're more inclined to watch a quick video on TikTok than read a lengthy blog post. So, whether it's Canva or any other app, hop on TikTok, make those tutorial videos, and watch your audience engagement and sales grow. You can do it all from your mobile phone or tablet. Keep at it, stay consistent, and you'll start seeing those sales roll in. Continuing with the video, there's one that's been blowing up on TikTok lately. It's a tutorial on how to remove the background of a picture using Canva. What I'm gonna do is watch the whole thing, see how they've pulled it off, and then recreate it myself. I'll add some music, maybe toss in a TikTok text-to-speech feature to keep folks engaged. I'll go ahead and fire up my screen recording tool, hit record, and just walk through the tip or trick I saw on TikTok. Now, I'm demonstrating how to remove the background from this picture, which is what I'll be sharing on TikTok. After this, all we gotta do is grab a free video editor to piece everything together. If you're on your computer, I'd recommend something like DaVinci Resolve. It's top-notch and used by the pros. But if you're on your phone, you can go for CapCut, or even just edit the video directly on TikTok itself. Once you've got your video edited to perfection, smooth transitions and all, it's time to add those final touches. Maybe throw in some catchy music, hop on a trending sound, or add some text-to-speech. It's all about making it pop and stand out from the crowd. Then, simply hit that post button on TikTok. And remember what I mentioned earlier? You can also share the same video on IG Reels and YouTube Shorts to reach even more people. More eyes on your video means more clicks on your affiliate links, and that's how you'll be making money with this method. And there you have it, a tutorial video whipped up using just your laptop or phone, and it shouldn't take you more than 10 to 15 minutes. But before we get into the final step, if you're digging this video that I've poured my time and energy into, I'd really appreciate it if you could smash that like button and hit subscribe with notifications on. Let's aim for 500 likes, and if we hit that goal, I'll drop another video soon to show you more cool ways to make money online from the comfort of your home. Now in our final step, let's move on how these videos will start earning us affiliate commissions. Remember, the key is getting people to click on our affiliate links and make a purchase. Here's how it works. When someone clicks on our link, a cookie gets attached to their browser, kind of like an online tracking cookie tied to their IP address. Then, when they go ahead and make a purchase, the company knows they clicked on our link, and that's how we get paid our affiliate commission. Now that we've picked the affiliate product we want to promote, the next step is to get our unique affiliate link, which you'll receive once you've applied and been accepted by the affiliate program. Once you've got your link, simply add it to your bio if you're using platforms like Instagram or TikTok. This makes it easy for viewers to click through and make a purchase when they watch your video. If you're going the YouTube route, just pop it into your video description. If you're using platforms like Instagram or TikTok, you'll want to create a landing page using tools like beacons or Linktree. Here's an example of a beacons page on the screen. Multiple affiliate links to different products all in the same niche. This way, when someone watches your TikTok video, they can click the link in your bio, see all the products related to the video, and make a purchase. Plus, using beacons or Linktree helps you diversify your income by promoting multiple products and creating multiple income streams with your affiliate marketing business. We've covered the steps from choosing a profitable niche to finding high-paying affiliate programs, diving into my advertising method, creating tutorial videos, and finally, starting to earn affiliate commissions. Remember, the key is to provide value to your audience, stay transparent, and keep hustling. With dedication and consistency, you can build multiple income streams and achieve your financial goals. Thanks for joining us on Fortune Innovators, where we make making money online an everyday reality. Make sure to like and subscribe, and until next time, happy earning!